SLQT stock, SelectQuote Inc. It closed the session of the 26th of August 2021 at $7.89, a retracement of about more than 40%, about 31 million shares crossed the tape during that session. And I think what is behind that retracement is amongst other things a downgrade from at least two analysts. One is from Bruyette and Woods, and the other one is from RBC Capital. So the first one downgraded the SLQT stock to $13.50. He or she had I think he had a price target of $30 before, now slashed it to $13.50. The other one had slashed it down to $13 from $33. So the reasons for that is that these, according to Investor Place, these analysts seem to think that policyholder churn is likely to inhibit SelectQuote's future cash flow projections, as it is currently not generating positive free cash flow. These analysts have projected that the company will not generate positive free cash flow until further down the road. As at yesterday, the 26th of August, investors appear to be on the same page and have beat this stock down well below the 13 to 1350 level, approximately where the stock was trading yesterday, the 26th. So we can see that is amongst other things why this stock has retraced significantly, and we can see here what's going on. So 52-week low, yes, reached that. Can see it, but even before that, we can actually see that the stock, okay, at some point it tried to buck the reversal. It tried to buck that reversal trend, and that was as at the middle of July 2021. Started to inch up. The lows started to inch up, and slight higher lows and higher highs it started to occur, but it now got the resistance as at early early August, and things started to bottom out, and then came this earnings outcome, and everything's got worse. But at the same time as well, it tried to also reverse that downward trend as well, broke through the 10-day moving average, but that was from where we got this downgrade and this retracement we're looking at right now. So I think also, amongst other things, there's a good chance this will continue to happen. It has a 10-day average volume of 4.4 million shares, and we saw that 31 million shares cross the tape during that session. There's a good chance those folks have taken their money off the stock, and they may not be coming back very soon until things improve. So all in all, I think it's for this stock, SLQT, it's a stock you just have to keep on observing to see what's going on there. If you're not there already, just observe and see whether an opportunity is going to occur. Let it if it's going to continue to retrace, there's a good chance that will be the case. If it continues to retrace, things may cool off and a new cycle may begin to emanate. Yeah, left to us, it's not a buy. Just observe and see what's going to happen with SLQT. As we indicated earlier on, the people who participated in this retracement may not come back anytime soon, and if they go away, then it may create a space for further consolidation for market participants to redeem the stock, view it from but the current prospects it's going to be facing lower or poor free cash flow, in negative free cash flow, in that light, they may, it will give them opportunity to look at it in a different realm altogether. A company that is no longer what it used to be, and then things may proceed from there. But for us, I think yes, it hasn't, the trend has been a bearish one, even though we tried to reverse that downward trend, but it still didn't do so. So for us, yes, it's observe and watch. Don't buy, just watch and see what's going to happen with SLQT, and how things will look out again, how things will turn out, in the in a world where, in a situation where it's no longer what it's expected to, what is expected. Yes, that's what we think. It's even though it's slightly up 0.25, it will always inch up and down, but I think there's a good chance there will be further retracement, and there's a good chance that there's a good chance for the retracement. But at the same time as well, other market participants may find other reasons to buy up the stock. At the same time as well, amongst all of these things, it's also representing a good buying opportunity as well. It's representing a good buying opportunity, buy the deep opportunity. Right now, things are not good at all based on the analysis. But when when others are ditching the stock, that's also when others are picking it up. There's so many things other market participants see about the stock that you and I may not be seeing at the moment. So, but for us, at the same time, we still maintain, for if you can't manage the risk, just don't buy. So for us, we're not recommending that you buy it, but at the same time, anything can happen. It could still skyrocket and even exceed its 52-week high, even in the coming sessions. But technically, based on historical data, based on what we know about this sort of retracements, there's a good chance it may not, begin to do well anytime soon. Expect it to even retrace further. So at the same time as well, expect it to retrace further and trade at lower levels and begin to build up data at such levels. And maybe if things improve, then we may see a move upwards. So if it retraces further, then maybe a buying opportunity may present itself. But right now, it is trading at even 50% discount to the sort of levels those analysts are pointing out, which is at $13 and some fraction. So for us, it's not a buy. Just observe and watch and see how things are going to pan out as it concerns SLQT stock. Okay, and thank you very much for watching this video.